Hello wonderful people and welcome back to my page. So today we will be learning how to make a very wonderful soap. This soap I'll be putting in kojic acid and turmeric powder. So if this is your first time coming to my page, please do well by following me so that you will learn how to make beautiful and wonderful soap that will suit your skin type. You can see how beautiful this soap is. So today you will learn how to make beautiful soap like this from scratch to finish. So please follow me and share this video. Drop your comment where you do not understand what I did, and please follow me and share so that you will not miss out on lucrative and educative content like this. You see this beautiful soap here? This soap is actually perfect for many skin type. So we will go straight into our production process and you will see how this was achieved from scratch to finish. So please stay glued to your phone screen and learn. So this is my work table, and over here is the caustic soda and the water I'll be using to produce this our soap. My caustic soda is 236 grams and I'll be showing my water measurement. In the production of soap, every soap is made with caustic soda, water and oil. So if you see any soap in the market or any soap that you are using, don't think that your soap does not have caustic soda, it does not have oil or water. Every soap has those three basic ingredients. You need to understand that. So I have dissolved my caustic soda in my water and I'll keep on stirring till everything has dissolved properly. After it has dissolved, I'm going to keep this mixture aside for the temperature to cool down, because when you dissolve caustic soda in water, the mixture usually becomes very hot. So I'll keep it aside for that temperature to cool down. Now I'll be showing you guys the oil I'll be using. Don't forget, in the beginning I said soap is made with caustic soda, oil and water. So these are the oils I'll be using. Palm kernel oil 700 grams, groundnut oil 660 grams. This groundnut oil, most people know it as peanut oil. Then I'll be making use of palm oil, and my palm oil is 250 grams. So I want to mix these three oils together. I have a purpose for mixing these three oils. I'm not using them because I feel like using them. In soap making, everything you are using should have a purpose, should be deliberate. Nothing is used by guesswork. So I have a purpose why I'm using these three oils. If you want to learn more about oils in soap making, you can do well by joining my online class. There you will learn a lot about soap making and the reason why people use 2 or more oils in their soap production. All these oils I'm choosing to use is not guesswork, it is not luck. I have a purpose, it is deliberate. So if you want to learn more and understand oils in soap making, you can join my online class. There you will learn how to make soap and understand everything about soap making, and you become a pro in soap production. So I have mixed all my oils together and I'm going to warm it. After warming the oil is not hot though, I only warm it. Now I'm going to be pouring in my additives. Don't forget, I said this soap will make with kojic acid and turmeric powder. Those are the major ingredients. My kojic acid is 40 grams. And I'll be pouring it inside the oil. Kojic acid is actually very nice on the skin. It's a very wonderful powder. It removes a lot of skin blemishes and it lightens the skin, including turmeric powder. Very wonderful powders. And this soap is actually suitable for many skin type. It's a very wonderful and beautiful herbal soap. Once you make this soap, you are going to love it and you will enjoy it. Trust me. If you have skin issues, this soap is actually going to help you remove those skin problems. Sunburn, blemishes, breakout, and dark spot, all those problems. This soap is actually nice. It will solve most of those things for you. You can go and do more research on kojic acid, turmeric powder and honey on the skin. You will see what I'm talking about. So the next thing, I want to be pouring in my caustic soda into the mixture. So see how I'm going to do this. Like I said before, soap making is not difficult. Once you have the basic understanding about soap making, you realize that soap is easy to produce. You can literally produce soap at the comfort of your home. The next thing I want to be adding is my fragrance. Fragrance makes soap have a sweet smell. That is why people add fragrance. It just gives your soap a nice scent or smell. Then next I'll be pouring it into my soap mold. So if you want to learn stuff like how to produce the laundry bar soap, the body soap, the organic soap, the powder detergent, the bleach, the Dettol, and hair cream, Vaseline, perfumes, and the rest, if you want to learn how to produce these things, you can check this video description. You will find a link where you can click on, and the link will take you straight to WhatsApp, where you can join my online class that goes on WhatsApp. Or if you have issues joining the class through the link, you can chat me on any of the phone numbers I will display on the screen of this video. Just chat me on WhatsApp. There is no need to call. Chat me on WhatsApp with any of these phone numbers to be added to our training group. There you will learn how to make the laundry bar soap, the bathing soap, the organic soap, the bleach Dettol, and the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the Vaseline, perfume, hair cream, and the rest. You will learn all sorts. And most importantly, you will learn how to make soap like a pro. Now you can see this soap here I'm showing here. I'm going to keep this soap for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I will take it out of the mold. So watch and see. So after 24 hours, this is the result of our soap. It is now hard enough for me to take them out of the mold, and I'll be taking them out of the mold one after the other. You can see what I'm doing. This soap is looking very beautiful, and it's very nice on the skin. Now when you make soap, it's not proper for you to use the soap immediately. You have to keep the soap for some days, at least 5 days, 1 week, before you start using it. Now that duration, when you kept the soap, will give the soap enough time for the soap to cure. Curing is a process where all the chemical in the soap tries to get settled and balanced so that the soap will not be harsh on your skin. I hope you understand what curing is now. So that period where you keep your soap so that the soap will be settled and balanced so that the soap will not be harsh on your skin is called curing. After the soap has been cured properly, you can now use it and take your bath or do anything you want to do with the soap. So you can keep the soap for at least 5 days to 1 week. Let the soap properly cure. So you can see this soap is looking very beautiful. Very lovely. Then if you are a soap maker, you are looking for soap making equipment to up your soap making business, you don't know where to get equipment, you can buy equipment directly from me. So after this video, I'll be showing you pictures of our equipment, and you will see how they look like. They're actually very beautiful and very easy to use. So after this soap video, I will show you pictures of our soap making equipment. And also don't forget, we deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. Our equipment are actually very easy to use and very affordable. And wheresoever you are in Nigeria, just reach me on the phone number I will display on the screen of this video. You can chat me on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment. You can see one of the equipment here, very beautiful and very easy to use. We deliver nationwide. This is another equipment we sell. We produce them and we sell them. So we deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, you can buy equipment from us. We are not scammers. We are legit business people. We are not scammers. So don't be scared to buy equipment from me. Once you buy, we'll send it down to your location. You can see how beautiful they look like. We have soap stamps, soap groove makers, soap mold, soap cutters, and then soap. You can see our cutter. We have varieties of mold and cutters. Then if you will not have time to join my online class, you can purchase my ebook. My ebook is actually very voluminous and very educative and very, very illustrative. Just reach me on this phone number to purchase my ebook. It's actually affordable. It has a lot of production recipe and formulation, step-by-step formulation guide with recipes. So if you don't have time to join the class, you can learn how to produce everything I teach here on this internet through my ebook. My ebook will guide you on how to produce everything in a very nice and beautiful way. So thank you for watching this video. Please share this video. Please share my video. Always share my video when you after watching it. Share it, and also don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments, and also don't forget to follow me. Follow me so that you will not miss out on very lucrative and educative videos like this. Goodbye, and see you all on my next video. Have a lovely